inyo, ano po yung pinaka madalas na nangangalay, nagkakaroon ng disorder or anything?
Okay, yun, shoulder.
Shoulders?
Especially itong right. Ewan ko ba't right, left-handed naman ako.
Okay, ano nangyayari?
Yung kaya tawag na frozen shoulder, pero actually hindi frozen kasi naangat ko.
Nangaiangat niyo po.
So, more on, kasi madalas na ako magpa-massage or what siguro.
Tinatawag din natin siya na capsulitis. It's either yung inflammation between our ligament capsule.
Yun.
Sa inyo, ano po yung pinaka madalas na nangangalay, nagkakaroon ng disorder or anything?
Okay, yun, shoulder.
Shoulders?
Especially itong right. Ewan ko ba't right, left-handed naman ako.
Okay, ano nangyayari?
Yung kaya tawag na frozen shoulder, pero actually hindi frozen kasi naangat ko.
Nangaiangat niyo po.
So, more on, kasi madalas na ako magpa-massage or what siguro.
Tinatawag din natin siya na capsulitis. It's either yung inflammation between our ligament capsule.
Yun.
Yan, inflame. Ayan,
Okay.
kaya nagkakaroon ng ganitong limitation.
Then lately, siguro a month ako ito, yung pag matagal na ganyan, may pag gano'n ko, ganyan.
Tumutunog.
Oo, kaya
May
akala
masakit?
ko.
Wala. Meron.
Actually, hindi naman siya masakit.
Weak.
Naglalaro ako eh. Pero pag yung magpersa akong ganyan, kahit nandito lang,
Nagkakaroon ng...
minsan, hindi siya masakit, tolerable, pero makita mo, uy, may kumikirot. So, kumbaga may diferensya.
Okay. It's a part of our natural degenerative diseases, which is yung wear and tear na
Yun,
tinatawag.
yun ang sabi ko, wear and tear.
Ayan. Yun yung tinatawag natin. But, medyo magkakaroon tayo ng different technique para at least ma-ease natin kahit paano lahat ng mga nagiging disorder ng ating mga joints. Okay? Sige, magkakaroon tayo ng physical examination para makita mo lahat kung ano na yung nangyayari sa katawan.
Yun. Saka, siyempre, yung back pains. So,
madalas ba ito? Hindi naman.
Yung back pains, kumbaga, from time to time,
Nagkakaroon ng pakiramdam.
dekada na yan.
Dekada na.
Pero may time na okay siya.
Okay?
So, yun. Katulad ngayon, pagod, sakit na naman.
Masakit na
Siguro.
naman. Sige. Ano yung current or nararamdaman nyo ngayon sa katawan ninyo? Medyo mabigat ba? Medyo pagod ba yung pakiramdam? Ganon? Hindi naman.
Ngayon, kasi katatapos namin mag-basketball kanina. Mga 9 o'clock.
Sige, medyo mabigat. At the same time, nagkaroon kayo ng physical activities kanina. Alright? Sige, posture up tayo. Kung sakit ba ito, hindi naman. Turn to your left. Yan, sige, lingon. Yan, go. Turn to your right. Masikip or tight yung muscles? Hindi naman.
May tight nga.
Medyo,
Isa pa yung
okay.
parang stiff neck yung alam ko.
Ayan. Sige, go up. Tingnan. Ayan. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na kyphosis development. Yung kyphosis is a klase ng disorder ng ating spine. Okay? Yung isa is scoliosis. Yung isa naman is kyphosis. Yung kyphosis po is yung forwarding or excessive forwarding ng ating spine. Okay? Yun yung tinatawag na kyphosis naman. Alright? So, nakukuha ito kapag sobrang laging nakaslouch or medyo mataas yung unan. Okay?
Ako, dalawa yung unan ko.
Dalawa lagi yung unan ninyo. Ayan. So, ang nangyayari ito, nagkakaroon ng development. Okay? Sige. Ang pinaka nangyayari, no? Ang laging tanong sa akin, masakit ba yan? Katulad ng tanong nyo kanina. Okay? Actually, kung merong pain, if ever na meron kang injury, may pain talaga. Okay? Kung sa area na yun. But, mostly, ang pinaka nare-release po natin is yung tension or yung gas or air bubbles sa ating mga joints. Okay? Picture up. Ganyan. O. Ngayon, ay check natin ito, no? Kamay. Ganito ka. Yan. All the way up. Dikit. Yan. Dikit sa tenga. Kamusta po ito? Masikip? Mabigat?
Meron.
Sige, check natin ito. This one. Go all the way up. Lagpas sa tenga. Kamusta po yan?
Lumalaban.
Masikip. Okay? So at least, almost naman yung pinaka-range of motion. But here, ayusin din natin ito. Okay, mostly, ang kyphosis ay medyo matagal yung proseso. But, ang pinaka-nangyayari kasi is yung compression sa ating muscles talaga. Okay? Kamusta po yung latest na blood test ninyo? Any imbalances? you have mataas na cholesterol, hyperacidity, sugar,
Actually, lahat normal eh.
lahat naman normal.
Mm.
Okay, very good. Alright, sige. Ngayon, check natin yung lateral muscle support. Ganito po kayo. Twist. Yan. Okay, so ito medyo masikip na rin, ano? Ayan.
Ayan.
Kabila.
Wala na.
Sige, go. Push it. Ayan. Ito mas okay ito sa kabila. Okay? Ayan. Pero, masikip pa din. Stand up. Ayan. Ready? Back down. Kamusta po yan? Go up. Ayan. Nakakabend pa, ha?
Actually, kaya nga talaga eh.
Sige. Harap po kayo sa akin. Forward bend.
Ayan.
Sige. Yan. Okay, titignan po natin, no? Manually checking your spine. Alright. So, we have here a development of mild scoliosis with your thoracic lower. Medyo mataas po yung lower at saka nababa. Okay, no compromise yung ibang vertebrae at saka yung rib cage natin since mataas ito at saka yung compression sa muscles. Ano? Up ng konti. Yan. Okay? Right here. This one. Medyo mataas ito lahat. Sabay left at saka mababa ito sa right. Oh, pipicturean natin ano. Ang unang i-check po natin yung ating lower extremities. Taas niyo po ito. Yan, taas. Yan. Mabigat po ito? Mabigat. O, sige, kabila po. Go up. Yan. Kamusta po ito? Mabigat din. Yan. Right here. Ano? So, una is your iliac crest with the pelvis and sacroiliac joint. Okay, right here. So, this is your iliac crest. Okay. Inhale. Exhale, down. Relax ang shoulder. Good? Narinig niyo po yun? Sige. Down. Kabila. Cross feet. Yan. So, dito tayo sa kabila. Right here. Go. Inhale. Exhale down. We have to push this one. Go. Forward. So, ito medyo tight ng konti. What we're going to do is stretch your quads to unlock your iliac crest. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Go. Let it out. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Okay? With yours. Good. Okay? Kabila tayo. Okay, here. Open. Tandaan niyo po kanina kung gano'n nyo naipataas yung paa ninyo, no? Sige. Inhale again. Exhale. Good. Inhale again. Go. Exhale down. Good one. Nice. And then for your lumbar. Nice. Okay? Very good. Now, next is your sacroiliac joint. Okay? Sa ating sacrum and coccyx and inner pubic bone. Ang gagawin niyo po ay itataas niyo po yung paa ninyo. Sabay. Dalawa. Okay? Taas niyo po yung paa ninyo. Yan, ganyan. Okay? Sige. Ready? Go up. Yan. Pigilan yung pag-open ko po. Tigasan yung puwetan. Tigasan yung nice. Good. Okay? Masakit po ba? Hindi naman.
Kaya naman.
Kaya naman. So, that's for your pubic bone and sacrum. Okay? Para at least mawala yung tension papunta dito sa ating lumbar number 5. Okay? So, now, pupunta naman tayo sa iyong ribs, especially sa iyong left. Kasi ito yung nakataas, di ba? Ibababa natin yung rib cage mo para gumalaw yung iyong spine or vertebrae right here. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Push it down. Good. Inhale again. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Exhale down. Good. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Masakit pa yun? Okay ka lang? Sige, down na po yung ako yung mag-pull at ako yung magpo-push. Sige. Inhale. Exhale. Baba nyo lang po yung paa ninyo. Good. Good one. Again. Down. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Last one. Good one. Alright. Okay? So next with our middle thoracic. I will twist this one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale down, 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 down. Nice. Good. Upper. Right here. Sige, once ito ay tight, iba yung gagawin nating technique, ano? Inhale po kayo. Exhale down. Down, down, down. Good. Okay, sobrang tight. Right here. Okay? Dito muna tayo bago tayo mag- yung batok ba? Here. Right there. So, ito yung nagiging cause din bakit nagkakaroon ng limitation sa pagtingala. Okay? Sige. I will open up your disc joint. Inhale po kayo. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. Okay lang kayo? Kamusta po yun?
Relax yun.
Mm-hmm. Good. Kabila. Here. This one. Open up. Good. Ready. Inhale. Exhale again. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Okay. So, ito ay medyo tight na ng konti. Okay? Yeah. So, but, bago tayo mag-proceed dito, check natin ulit yung paa mo. Okay? Kung kanina ay mababa at mabigat, check natin ulit ngayon. Taas na po ito. Go up. Yan. Kamusta? Gumaan?
Oo.
Very good. Kabila. Kamusta?
Okay.
Mas gumaan?
Yeah.
Very good. Kung kanina medyo mabigat, yun yung pinaka-ginagawa natin, which is unlocking those joints para ma-gain natin yung pinaka-range of motion or yung flexibility ulit. Okay? Tapos maka-recover yung mga muscle support doon sa area. Makakagalaw siya ng maayos. Alright? Ngayon, sit down ka dito para dito kasi medyo malalim na to. Down, yuko. Yan, hawak po kayo or yakap kayo sa sarili. Yan, relax ang shoulder. Good, yuko. Kasi medyo tight to, Sige. Relax ang shoulder. Ready? Inhale. Exhale, yuko, yuko, yuko. Okay. So tight. So ito yung gagawin natin. Here. This one. So we have manual traction and decompression later on. Okay, open po yung kamay. Open na po. Yan. Para makunang inyong batok. Yan. Para makunang. Yan. Hawak po kayo sa akin. Sa batok ba? Yan. And then, baba po yung siko. Yan. Squeeze ng konti. Relax ang shoulder. Yun. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. How was it? Tumunog. Okay. Good. Ayan. That's the tension. Okay? Yung mga nare-release natin na tumutunog, yan yung pinaka-tension itself na nare-release natin. Alright? Ngayon, higa po muna kayo. Bones at ligament support and joints here. Okay?
Share ah.
Nice. Okay? Here. Next is for your metatarsal right there. Clear. Lower. Clear. On navicular bone right there. Clear. Next is for your talus. Right here. Sige, relax lang po ito. Yan. This is for your talus bone. Okay, so very clear naman ito. So, we're going to do is unlock or distress your cuboid. Right here, upper. Relax hand. Good one. Nice. Okay? Next is for your heel and inner hip joint. We will turn in. O, relax po, Turn in. Yan. Turn in. Nice one. Okay lang siya?
Kailan?
Bila. Here. Metatarsal again. Nice. Nice one. Okay. Clear. Talus bone. Relax. So, clear. Oh, very good naman ito. Okay. Next is for your cuboid. Relax. Good one. All right. Next is for your heel. This one. Turn in. Relax na po ito ba? Yan. Nice one. Good. Okay? Now, sa tuhod tayo. Let's see. Check po natin yung movement ng inyong patella. Ayan. So, nararamdaman niyo po ba yan? Yung
Wala
nag,
na.
parang makunat na pakiramdam? Ayan, yung medyo parang pinto na kalawang ba? Ganun. Ayan. So, ayusin natin. Ang pinaka-joints natin and fluid inside, okay? Ang pinaka-gusto niya is constant moving or lubrication, palagi. Kaya, kapag hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng physical activities, but not heavy, ang kailangan lang talaga is constant moving. Yan. Like this one, sa iba't ibang areas, ano? Kailangan nilulubricate palagi para mag-stimulate yung fluid inside palagi. Okay? So right here, turning. Good.
Ah,
Very good. Okay? Right here. Lower side. Yeah. Clear. Good. Next is for your groin muscles. Okay? This one. Relax it down. Nice.
bigyan mo sila mainom, ano.
One. Sige. Good. Turn. Good. Again. Last one. Wow. Narinig niyo po yun? This one. Like this. Here. Meniscus and groin muscles. Nice. Good. Now, dito tayo sa iyong sacroiliac joint and balakang or sa ating lumbar lower. How's this?
Yun,
Okay lang? Okay. Here. So, we have to stretch this one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Let it out lahat. Good one. Okay. So, ito ay mayroon tayong significant na or different technique later on. Okay? Yeah. Kasi medyo compressed. Okay. Hawak ko kayo sa kamay. Ganito. Yeah. Push this one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Okay. Nice one. Let it out. Stretch it. Okay. So very tight. We have decompressed it. Releasing. Okay? Here. Naririnig niyo po ito? Mga nag-i-scratch. Ayan, at least. Check natin yung pain. This one. How's this? Good? Okay. Check natin yung grip or yung power. Sige, grip po kayo. Go, grip. Okay? Anong difference, no? Medyo weak ng konti. Okay? Release natin ha. Para evenly distributed ng main muscles yung ating power or doon sa main muscles papunta ng pulley ligaments with your daliri or hands. Good. Relax. This one. Push. Good. Elbow. Relax. Yeah. Good. And then twist it. Good. Here, lower side. Very good. Okay? Nice. Kabila. Very clear naman na po. Here. Good one. Stretch again. Nice. Matahimik na sila. Wala na silang,
Sasaktan din sila.
wala na silang pake. Okay.
Nakikidamay sila.
Turn. Here. Very good. Okay? Now, we have to proceed with your cervical spine. To check natin yung iyong trigger points. Okay? Right here. This one. Cervical 1. How's this? Okay. Number 2. Okay? Number 3. May pain po ba dito? Number 4. And 5. How's this? Good. Traps muscles. Acromion. A little. Good. Number 1. This. Number 2. Number 3. 4. And 5. Okay? Here. And go up. This one. Okay? Right here. I will push this one. Sige, relax po. Yan, baba. Good. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Okay, so ito ay medyo tight or compress. Anong compression between your cervical spine. So we have to take this one. Cervical 1. Cervical number 2 right here. Okay? Ready? In. Exhale. Down, down, down. Okay, wait, this one. Medyo tight ng konti. Gagawin natin is a manual traction. Up, down, down. Good. So this is the manual traction and decompression. Yeah. So the difference is mas tawag ito, in-impose natin yung pinaka-safety standard ng pasyente, which is yung bouncing and the right technique itself at hindi yung sobrang hatak. Okay? Or yung sobrang pwersado palagi. Okay? A lot of practitioners ay doing the wrong technique. Okay? So this time, kagat ang teeth, bite your teeth na natural lang. Okay? Naturally, inhale lang sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Okay? Yeah. Stretch it, rotation, and lateral. O, very loose naman ito. Okay? Good. So light lang ang kailangan natin. Parang latigo lang ba? Iba-bounce natin para mas maging effect yung tune sa iyong spine. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax po yung shoulder. Very good. Stretch it and bounce. Okay, good. Nice. Kamusta po yun? Saan po banda yun?
Dito.
More of here. Okay? Very good. Any pain? Any ngalay? Very good. Nice. So, ang gagawin niyo po ay hawak kayo sa bawang. Gagawin natin from here. Hawak. Yan. From here. Ipupush ko kayo forward. Pipigilan niyo po. Okay? Lalakasan ha. Squeeze niyo po yung shoulders ninyo. Pigilan ako. Ready? Pigil. Sige, lakas. Good. Very nice. Again. Go. Pigil. Very good. Okay? Relax. Go. Pigil. Nice. Again, last one. Push it. Very good. Okay? Body firm. Now, let's see this. Relax. This one. We have to turn in and relax and then push this out. Masakit ito. Okay lang. Here. Relax the shoulder. Lose this one. Good one. Okay. Next one. Lose this one. Turn in. Relax. Good. Rotate your calf. Good. Relax po ito. Masakit po ito. Kamusta po ito? Okay? Good. Nice. Good. Okay. Now, let's see again from forward. Sige, go down, down. Go up. Good. Sige, up. Yan. Kamusta po yung nag-click dito?
Wala na.
Very good. Okay? From side. Dito. Dito na magsimula. Okay? Go up. Nice. Down. Again, up. Kamusta po yung tumutunog? Wala na?
Wala.
Very good. Wala na nag-scratch or wala nang nagkakatamaan masyado. Very good. Okay? Sa kabila tayo. Relax it. Good one. Nice. Yan. Relax. Yuko. Yep. Nice one. Good. Ganito po kayo. Lock niyo po yung iyong paa. Okay? Yakap sa sarili. Okay, yung ayusin natin. Kasi for more of left. Sige, open yung ribs. Open. Ganun side to side. Yan. Yuko lang po kayo sa forward. Open yung ribs. Stay. That's one. Okay? Twist. Ready? Inhale. Relax lang yung katawan. Good one. Here. Okay. Very tight and firm. Here. Sige, open your ribs. Good. Relax. Good. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Very good. Kumusta yung scratch na yun? Okay ka lang? So last, our ears. Okay? Tignan natin ha. Ito, releasing. At the same time, once na ma-release natin ito, ang pinaka makaka-recover dito is yung temple muscles natin. Okay? Itong temple muscles natin, ito yung nagpe-prevent or sumasalo rin ng mga stress ng iba't ibang muscles natin sa likod. So once na nagbigay ng stress yung muscle natin sa back, papunta dito sa ating traps muscles, papunta dito sa ating levator muscle, sa batok. Once na pumunta dito, magkakaroon ng stress dito. Okay? Sa ating temple muscles. That's the time na nagkakaroon ng alin? Headache and migraine. Okay? Yun. So, makaka-recover ito to prevent those headaches and migraine. Okay? Right there. Good. Relax it na. Snap. Nice. Good. Kailan kayo last na pingot? Bata pa.
Hindi grade 1, grade 2.
O confirm, napipingot din si Tito. Yeah. Here. Sige. So, relax na. This one. Snap it. Snap. Nice. Good. Okay? And then this is the sensitive part of our ears. We press this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good.
Yan, lumiwanag na pandinig ko. Pwede nga kay Elmer.
Mas nag-wide po. At the same time, naging mas sensitive yung hangin. Dumadali doon sa eardrum natin. Okay? Kamusta po yun? So far. Kamusta po kayo?
Gumanawan na.
Mm-hmm.
Paano?
Nice. So, this kind of therapy is resetting those deformation sa iba't ibang joints and muscles natin. Pero masakit po ba? Natakot ba kayo?
Hindi naman.
Very good.
Kasi paano naman ako, more on stretching.
Okay. Thank you so much again for trusting Tito. Okay?
Salamat din. Tapos, how often pwede magganyan?
Yan. How often, ano?
Oh.
Ang pinaka the best is once or twice a month. Okay?
Ganun lang.
Yan.